Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Smart App Control on Windows 11 in a simple and quick way. Start by clicking on the Start menu. In the search bar, type Windows Security, then click on the app to open it. Once the Windows Security window opens, look at the left side panel and click on App and Browser Control. This section manages security settings related to apps and files. Now, inside this page, find and click on Smart App Control Settings. This will open the specific settings for Smart App Control. Here, you will see different options. To disable it, select the option that says Off. As soon as you select this, Smart App Control will be turned off on your system. Before you do this, it is very important to understand one thing. Turning off Smart App Control is permanent. Once you turn it off, you cannot turn it back on again unless you perform a clean installation of Windows 11. That means reinstalling your operating system from scratch. So make sure you really want to disable this feature before proceeding. Thanks for watching.